Achieving restaurant-quality grains, mastering complex multi-grain dishes, or completely rethinking countertop multi-cooking often means navigating the limitations of basic single-mode rice cookers that leave grains unevenly cooked or dried out. The CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, CRP, LHDR 0609FW, redefines the standard by packing professional-grade thermal engineering, dual-pressure flexibility, and intelligent automation into a sleek kitchen centerpiece. The primary breakthrough centers on its signature twin pressure technology, paired with induction heating, IH. Instead of forcing a single cooking style, the machine lets you seamlessly switch between high-pressure mode, which yields rich, sticky, and chewy textures ideal for multi-grain or GABA brown rice, and non-pressure mode, which delivers light, fluffy individual grains. This is driven by an advanced induction heating system that completely surrounds the inner pot with uniform heat, ensuring precise temperature regulation rather than relying on a simple bottom heating plate. Versatility defines the daily user experience through an extensive suite of up to 20 menu modes, including specialized settings for white rice, scorched rice, porridge, baby food, stews, and high-pressure/non-pressure steaming. It also features an innovative open cooking function, allowing you to unlock the lid during non-pressure cycles to safely add ingredients sequentially, making it simple to drop in vegetables or meats midway through a recipe without losing texture. Operation is guided by an intuitive LED display and a multilanguage voice guide, English, Korean, and Chinese, that acts as your personal kitchen assistant, alongside an automatic steam sterilization cycle that sanitizes the interior. Things to consider before you buy. Because it packs heavy-duty induction coils, robust stainless steel components, and a dual pressure mechanism into its build, the unit is quite sturdy and weighs over 15 pounds, meaning it claims a permanent, dedicated spot on your countertop rather than being easily stowed away. Additionally, while its 6-cup uncooked capacity, yielding up to 12 cups cooked, is ideal for medium families or meal prepping, households looking to cook massive bulk quantities for large gatherings will find its footprint maxed out. So who is this really for? This cooker is an absolute home run for rice connoisseurs, healthy eaters experimenting with diverse ancient grains, and busy families who want a premium multi-cooker capable of handling everything from morning porridge to evening braised meals with absolute precision. If you only cook standard white rice once a week and prefer a simple, budget-friendly one-button appliance, its advanced feature set will vastly exceed your daily needs. Is it worth the money? If you value restaurant-level texture customization, lightning-fast induction cooking times, high-end safety features, and a versatile multi-cooker that replaces several countertop appliances, it is an elite, long-term investment for your kitchen. The Amazon link sits right in the description for easy access.